Hope all of y'all are doing well. Last time we studied the geography first chapter, and today we are going to discuss about the geography paper pattern. Students, geography is one of the scoring subjects, just 40 marks paper, and there are more than 28 marks objectives where you can score lot of marks, and we are going to discuss today about the geography paper pattern. So let's start. Here you all can see geography paper pattern. Its geography paper is of 40 marks. You all can see the first question. First question is choose the correct option, that is fill in the blanks. Along with fill in the blanks there are different options given. So they can give any one. Choose the correct option. Identify the correlation and make the chain. Like you have to identify and you have to make the chain. How you all have in science subject and all. Then identify the group. They will be giving the question and different groups they will be giving. From that you have to select the correct one, and that carries 4 marks. Overall the first question carries 4 marks. Then you all can see second question. Second question is match, that is match the column. Odd man out, this all of you all know. Arrange in order, you all know you have to arrange in correct order of the sequence. Then complete the series. They may give you a sentence which is incomplete. Then you have to, they will give the options. From that you have to select and complete the series. The next is identify the wrong pair. They will give you some pairs, some sentences together they will give you. You will have to identify which one is wrong. So that carries again 4 marks here. Then you all can see question number 3. Question number 3, in that you can get answer in one sentence, or you can get name the following, or you can get right or wrong. Otherwise you can get differentiate, or you can even get short note. So you all can see there are so many options. You can get any one. They can ask you answer in one sentence, name the following, right or wrong, differentiate is distinguish between, or short note. Anything they can ask you, and that will be for again 4 marks. Now the fourth question. Fourth question has question number 4a. Question number 4a is map marking. Map marking is you will have to mark the places in the map, and you have to write the index also. So that carries 4 marks. Question number 4b. 4b is map reading. Again a map will be given, and related to that some questions will be asked. So that is map reading. Again it carries 4 marks. Then you can see question number 5. Question number 5 is give reason. Any 2 give reason you have to write, and that is for 6 marks. Question number 6a, draw graph. Now you all know this year you all will be having graph in geography. You all know geography is like science. How you do practicals in science, same way we will do practical geography also. That is we will be drawing graph work, okay, on the basis of the data which is given. So that is draw graph and answer. So that will be of 6 marks. Now there is an option in this. Either you can do question number 6a, or you can do question number 6b. There is an option in this. Okay, that is graph reading. You can either draw the graph and answer, or you can do the graph reading. It carries 6 marks. And the last question you can see is answer in detail. That is answer in brief. You have to write any 2 questions, and that carries 8 marks. So I hope students you all understood your paper pattern well, the geography paper pattern. And here you can see this is a very scoring subject combined with your history subject. So study it nicely, do the objective part nicely, and you can score very good marks. Thank you students.